RADA, all of that, we do get opt-in. We can sign that, and that's where we get a budget to purchase the item of high need. Yeah, so last year we made about $100,000 in consignment, if that just gives you an idea of how much we get that we're able to consign. Okay, so let's start back at the beginning because I couldn't really start that way in the front.
Okay.
So Dress for Success, we really have 4 pillars here. So we have our employment and suiting program, which is what we just went through and you guys saw. Then we have the pre-employment program. So if our client does not land a job, then they're invited back and we have classes to really help them work on their resume, work further on their interview tips, LinkedIn, social media, everything like that. Then we also have a veterans program. So veteran program is, we work with about 200 referring agencies, so the client must be job ready when she comes here, meaning she either has a job fair set up, an interview set up. The only caveat to that are the veterans. Veterans can come in on their own, and we also have veteran suiting days. We have 6 a year where we close down the agency for veterans only. And we'll have different things going on. Oftentimes we have career fairs for them. We bring in different resources just so they can learn about all the things that are available to them transitioning from military to civilian. That's something Alicia Walker heads up. She is incredible at that. And then we expanded that to also involve some lunch and learn. So we just had a networking lunch and learn on Wednesday. We had 35 veterans come to that. So it's just really educating veterans about what's out there for them because so many, Alicia will give her story and be like, I needed this, this, and this. How many of you even know this is available? And so many of the veterans don't know. And then lastly is our professional women's group. So that's our last pillar. That's when our clients have landed a job, we invite them back. Everything is at no cost to our clients, but this is where we really offer many of the educational courses. So there's the 1 year, 1 job, there's financial literacy, there's women to women mentoring. We've had dental groups come in and they'll do a full day of free dental work for our clients. We have, there's a nonprofit called Have Shears Will Travel. So on the last Thursday of every month they come in and they offer free haircuts for our clients. So there's just so many ways to really try and help build their confidence, empower them, and help them try and build a career. Okay, so that's like the overall that I couldn't get out in the lobby. So now back to the warehouse. This is where we take in everything. You're gonna see this tub over here. On October 6th is the female veteran stand down, right?
Yes,
the stand down. Yeah, so we're collecting clothes that we wouldn't keep here, like denim, t-shirts, sweatsuits, stuff like that, because at that event, that's where they hand out a bunch of clothing to homeless female vets. So we try and help support.
And what day is that again?
October 6th. It's a Friday. I think it's like from 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. It's an all-day event.
Do you guys have a flyer for that?
You could reach Alicia Walker, who he knows, because she's
See if
the...
they have a flyer for that icon, since you know her.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So actually doing we're actually doing a booth with Prudential, doing a booth that they used to stand on, so we'll be involved as well. So I'll work with Alicia.
So cool. Yeah, it's really great.
Yep.
Okay, so then over here, we'll quick pop in. This is once our clients have landed a job. This is the employment store.
Oh, employment store.
Yeah, this is where they get to come and they get to choose their 8 additional items. You'll see this might be a little bit more colorful.
Right.
Because you know nowadays many offices aren't as conservative or professional. So we try and help however we can, help them build their wardrobe. If our clients have a job in the medical field and they need scrubs, we also have those to offer them as well. So they can either get 4 sets of scrubs or we can break it up however they want.
Okay.
Yeah, so we really just try and help them make it, you know, make it as easy as possible to start their career and reduce their stress. So, yes, I would love to go out this way. I don't know if we can.
Everything is a high quality.
It's like I'm walking into a freaking Dillard's or something.
We go this way. This is our volunteer group at this shopping area for the professional women's group clients. Because after they go to so many classes, they accrue shopping credits. So then they get to come.
Volunteer, you have something for them.
Yeah, so then they get to come and for every shopping credit they accrue, they get 5 additional items. So then they'll come in here and they'll get to shop on either Friday afternoons or Saturdays. Yeah, so typically our clients stay in the professional women's group for about 3 years. So by the time they're done with that, they have a full, complete professional wardrobe to last them. Yes. So I'd love to take you upstairs, but it's just crazy up there right now. So right now upstairs, there's going to be the yoga class. There's going to Theater Under the Stars is coming to help instruct the storytelling class. This morning we had new member orientation so that the members of the professional women's group understand the standards that we expect. They must come professionally dressed. They must show up on time. All of those good things, just because we're really trying to instill in them the same qualities that you would want your employees to have.
That's very true.
Yes. And they are very strict on if you show up late, you will get turned away from the meetings. Like, we are very strict. We do also offer Child Watch. We offer Child Watch once the client lands a job and she's in the professional women's group. Then we offer Child Watch for Thursday evening classes and Saturday morning. No children are allowed to come for their suiting appointment because, again, we're trying to prep them to act the way that they would when they go to their interview. We want them to make all the mistakes here. By the time they get to their interview, they know exactly what to do. So there's Child Watch going on today, all of the different professional women's group classes, and then shopping's going to come down and shop in a little while. So yes, that's a very high level of what our agency does here. But that's all of your donations will be made using
We feel very honored that we are part, at least whatever we can contribute,
Yeah.
even if it may be little or whatever amount it may be, that at least it's going to help somebody. And
Yeah.
thank you for the opportunity, and also thank you for even having such a thing that exists.
Yeah.
And we have individuals amongst our midst that we definitely will spread the word out to them.
Right.
Because we have students that are just graduating
Yeah.
and looking for a job, so I can see
Yep.
them, seeking you guys
Yeah.
out. So thank
So
you.
the first step for them would be to go through the referring agency, and oftentimes that starts through either United Way or Workforce Solutions, and they'll link them up with the correct agency that then can get them through the door
Yeah.
to us, so that we then can build the relationship from there. Caveat are the veterans; they can
Yeah.
come; they don't need any sort of reference. They can just walk in the door, and we'll help them.
And
So,
is
yes.
it the same all across your organization, like one in San Antonio or Dallas? Is the protocol about the same, or is it different?
Everybody is
Depends?
starting, the veteran program initiative is something new that everybody's taking on. So I can't say for sure if the veterans at other agencies need a referral or not. But we all we have the same mission. It is trying to help women become economically independent and stuff like that. So all of our missions are the same, but there may be different classes at the different locations. Not everything's going to be the same. So yes.
Thank you.
Yes. And then I heard you guys have donations you want
Yes.
to drop off.
Yes.
So if you guys want to pull around to the Circle driveway, and then I can take a photo of you guys, and on Monday we can post it on our social media outlets. If you guys want to post it on your social media outlets, we
You
can.
have IG, Instagram, and all that kind of stuff?
Yes, of course. Yes. We do. We have Facebook, Instagram,
wouldn't be
LinkedIn,
surprised.
all that fun stuff. I think we even have like a Snapchat.
Is that Alicia? Is she doing Snapchat?
No. We have a social media coordinator. Her name's
Okay.
Christina. She's incredible.
I think we saw it, yeah.
So yes, we have all that fun stuff. So we can definitely get you guys on our social media channels and stuff like that. So if you want, I can meet you right back. If you guys want to pull around, I can meet you at the Circle Drive.
Yes, ma'am. No
Okay,
problem.
sounds great. Thank you so much.
All right.
Yes, right through this door over here.
And that's it, guys. We're out. Sorry, everybody. No.